Okay, hey folks, I'm Terry Brown. I'm back with another video for you today, and as you can see, man, I'm going to talk about a proven system to success. Okay, so stay with me for the next few moments. Also, if you look here, it says earn money online starting today. You can begin the process today to start earning some money online. So stay with me. I've got a brief thought I want to share with you, and then we're going to get into the subject matter. Okay. This here makes me feel like I want to cry, when I read it. And well, let's just get into it and see what it says. There is no defeat except in no longer trying. There is no defeat save within. No really insurmountable barrier save our own inherent weakness of purpose. Albert Hubbard. Golly, people give up in life. People quit on themselves. They quit on their dreams. And it just makes me sad. You know what I'm saying? It makes me real sad. There's no defeat except in no longer trying. My goodness. And I could tell you a story, but not for this video. Okay. All right. Let's move forward. Okay, we're going to be very brief in this video, and that is by design. Okay. So we're going to get into it. As you can see, proven system to success. We've got the information, we've got the system that you need to be a success online. Okay. Earn money online starting today. Okay. We have no hype, no lies for you, but we do have a proven system to success for you. Finally, true, real programs for the people. We have two awesome opportunities that you can start, both for less than $100 total. Okay. And these opportunities complement each other. You can promote them both together and simply focus on one of them. Actually, that should say you can promote them together or simply focus on one of them. Okay. Copy my system and pocket hundreds of dollars of cash daily. Our system just works. Get the plan, work the plan, grab the links in the description area of this video. Okay. Okay, in closing this video, I want you to focus here for me. It says free get started coaching session. If you join any one of my programs, okay, as a business person, okay, and you're going to do the business, then I'm offering a free get started coaching session for you. My telephone number will be in the description area of this video. If you sign up in any one of these businesses as a business person, okay, and you'll see it, then all you have to do is text me. Let me know that's done and that you want a free coaching session to get started. Okay. And then I am here for you. We'll set up a time. We'll text back and forth, figure out a time, the best time for both of us to meet on the telephone. I'll give you a call back at the appointed time, and then we'll get into sharing with you ideas that are working to help you get started successfully in either one of these opportunities. Okay. But there you have it. I'm Terry Brown, and I'm wishing you an amazing, blessed day today. Okay. Bye-bye now.